In this beta family review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money by testing these products and apps. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if beta family is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want to get my 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing, make sure you click the first link in the description. So what happens in Beta Family is that Beta Family has partnered with several brands, and these brands have their certain products or apps which has to be tested. So once a product that is launched in the market, first it has to be tested, like whether if the app is good or if it has any bugs, you have to detect bugs and all of that. So this is where these user testers come, and these testers, what they do is they test these app and they'll find out the glitches and what are the cons, what are the pros. So they basically do a review on this particular product or app. So that's the job of an app tester. And if you're wondering if you could be making some money with it, stick around till the end of the video. Now, if you want to go ahead and do the test, just go to browse test. So over here, and you will be logged into this particular interface. So as you can see, there are 2 tests currently. Before that, when you actually really log into Beta Family, you have to tell them what type of device that you're using. Maybe you're using a MacBook or maybe an Android phone or an iPhone. You have to tell them. And also the cool thing is that you have a lot of things to choose from. So based on this, you are going to be getting all of your recommendation about the testing apps. So if you're interested in books, you could be going with that. If you're interested in business, you could be going with that. So based on your interest, you have to select all of them, and based on that, they are going to give you all of these apps. So some of these apps would be games also. So you have to see if the games have any glitches or app, or if you really find it enjoyable to play. So things like that. And you have to review it. Sometimes you will have to review it on camera. You will have to speak and all. And they probably pay around $5 to $20 for every single app test that you do. And also you might see some surveys and questionnaires also. Maybe some fun quiz can also pop up. So they also pay around $5 to $20 for that. And the problem with this particular website or testing website as a whole is that you're not going to be getting a lot of tests in the first place. So the maximum test you could be making per month really depends on where you're from the world. If you're part of the world where this particular website, which is Beta Family, is really looking for, maybe you're from the tier 1 countries like the US, UK, Canada, they might have a lot more user testing. So if you're from an Asian country or tier 2 or tier 3 countries, you might get like 1 test every single month or 2 tests every single month. So you have to keep that in mind, and it really depends on your luck and also where you're from in the world. Maybe you're going to be making around $10 for every survey that you do, and you get it for 1 survey. It's going to end up to $40 per month, which is really not a lot of money. And in Beta Family, I think if you're not from a tier 2 and tier 3 country, you might get like 1 service per month. And in that case, you're going to be making around $10 per month, which is not like a lot of money. And in Beta Family, you will have to get to a threshold of $50 in order to actually withdraw your money. Yes, guys, you really need to have to get to $50. So usually in user testing apps, they really don't have much high threshold. So the usual threshold is around $5 to $10. But in Beta Family, they're claiming that you have to get to $50 in order to get your payment. And you could be getting your payment via PayPal. So PayPal is the option that they are giving. And remember guys, it really depends. Sometimes you may get your threshold in about a month, or it can take up to 6 months, or it may take up to 1 year in order to get your $50. So that's one thing to keep in mind, because the test can be really low depending on where you are from the world, and these websites don't really have a lot of tests going on. So that's how you basically use this particular Beta Family in order to make money. You can check it out. So this pricing is really not for you. So these are the pricing for the people that come into Beta Family in order to take the test for their app. So it's not for you. You are the testers. You could be testing for basically free. And one thing I like about Beta Family is that it's available worldwide, which is a great thing. And also if you're looking for alternatives, so these are some of the alternatives. So you have user testing, then IPSO ISA. So these are some of the apps that have previously reviewed. I've reviewed branded surveys as well. So you could be going with a few of the testing websites in order to actually make money. I wouldn't suggest really Beta Family alone to make money, because it's no guarantee that you'll make a money in a single year itself. So it's really hard to comprehend when you're going to get your money. So that's why you have to get in like a lot of user testing apps, and basically you could combine all of your earning and make a little bit side income on the side. So that's what I would recommend if you're going with testing websites. But at the end of the day, it's not going to make you rich or anything like that. The maximum you could be making if you're grinding really hard on it is like $100 per month. So that's it for my review of Beta Family. Now, if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I suggest you click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide, and it's also my 5 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.